Join us for life stories
and meaningful moments in the community. Hey there, glad you joined us.
Here's a question for you. What does hope mean to you?
We're Doug and Lynn Nodland from SharingLife'sLessons.com, and there's a popular saying that hope springs eternal.
Which means hope is everlasting.
But we wondered, is that true?
And with all the tough times that people have been going through this last year or so,
I know.
and a lot of people are maybe starting to lose hope, and we know that's not good.
So we thought we'd look into the importance of having hope. And we ran into Dr. Hellman. He's a professor at the University of Oklahoma, and he's also director of the Hope Research Center.
Exactly. And he has a quote. He says, "Hope is the belief that your future will be better than today, and you have the power to make it so."
It turns out that hope can be measured, and when people have hope, it positively affects their physical health, their mental well-being, and their social well-being.
And the studies also showed that when children have hope, they're more likely to have better attendance, better grades, and more likelihood to go to college.
Right. And it's not just about optimism. It's about a way of thinking.
Exactly, which is good because then we can
Yes.
always learn to change our thinking.
Yes,
right?
we can. And he has a quote about hope.
And he says, "Imagination is the instrument of hope."
We learned there's a 3-step process to turn imagination and hope into reality.
And number 1 is to identify goals.
We need to know where we want to go, what we want to accomplish, the person that we want to be. But we need more than hope. We need...
Number 2, make plans.
Dr. Hellman calls these pathways, and we have to decide which are the best pathways or routes to get there.
And number 3, take action.
Besides hope, we need motivation and perseverance to meet the challenges and keep going, to take action and reach our goals.
We also learned that adversity can really affect hope also.
Yes. When people face adversity on a continual basis, they tend to have shorter-term goals.
Right.
It's like survival and fear-based goals, looking at how can they make it each day, like do they need food or shelter?
Whereas when their basic needs are met, then they're making goals that are more like future-based goals. 'Cause
Right.
they have more choices.
So we see how adversity can make a difference in how people attack their goals and have different pathways. And we had the chance some time ago to interview Dick Beardsley.
Yep, he's a world-class marathon runner who's faced a lot of adversity in his life,
Yes.
right? He had almost died in a farm accident
And then he overcame an addiction to painkiller.
and then had a son who committed suicide.
Right. So let's see what he says about hope.
They say you can live 40 days without food, you can live 7 days without water, you can live a few minutes without breathing, but you can't live 1 second without hope. And if you hang on to that, it'll help us get through the days.
So what about you? What are you hoping for? If hope doesn't seem like it's springing eternal, we encourage you to use the ways suggested to rekindle hope in your life.
And also, faith and asking for help can make a smoother journey to a better life.
We'd love to hear your thoughts. You can contact us at WeCare at SharingLife'sLessons.com.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.